Please enjoy the video.
Hey guys, Anime Atlas here, back once again with another video. We have another anime unboxing here. But first, I want to show you this art card from Right Stuff. It's for the Sword Art Online movie. It doesn't need to be that far in your face, I know that, I'm sorry. It's long overdue, but they just give it to me for whatever reason. But anyways, off to the show, well, sort of. We have another premium edition from Sentai Filmworks. Is it wrong to try to pick up girls in a dungeon? And that is a weird name for an anime title. Here's the back, and this is the premium edition. Cool. Kind of gives you all the ins and outs of it. Alright, so I'm gonna try to attempt to open this. But yeah, we had to move back over to the floor here because this is a big set, so that's why. Now if I can just reach in and grab it, and there we go, we're done. So now, all we have to do is open it, and here we are. I'm going to set this over here, and wow, this actually looks really nice. So this opens up. So wait, this is actually the booklet. Okay. Gotcha. This booklet is really nice. Oop, hit the camera. My bad. I'm shaking up the joint. Let's look through it real quick. Oh, this is actually a diary. Okay, some kind of diary. You can draw stuff in here if you want. Okay, I gotcha. So there's nothing special in here. Now our second, we have, let's see what we can do here. Oh, here's another, okay, this is another booklet. Wow. It's written in blue, well, the blue back cover. Now is this the same thing or? Oh no, there's some imagery in here. Let's see what we can find. I'm not gonna lie, this actually smells really good. Art cards of the characters. Yeah. I don't want to waste your guys' time, but that's okay. Wow, all of this is really, really nice. Let me see if I can. So this has a collectible in here, looks like. It's wrapped up. So let's take a look at this. Now I like the character designs in here. That's really cool. Really nice. So in other words, there's maybe something in here. Oh yeah, there's something in here. I want to open it. I don't care. I want to see what's in this bag here. If my actually, you know what? I don't need my cart. Gonna get rid of that little piece. So I actually do want to see what's in here. Oh, there's some goodies in here. Let's see. we're gonna kind of go through here. Let's move this out of the way for 1 second. Oh, so I assume like in here is like a little ribbon. It looks like this is actually like a ribbon of some kind right here. And in here, these are like all stickers. Really cool. I like these characters a lot, so I'm gonna throw this back in here. Whoops. And I'll throw it all back in there once we're done, because I still want to go through the two main prizes here. We have, now what we have here, I believe this is the Blu-ray. We shall open it. Yeah, this is the Blu-ray. Ooh, and this is like one of those 3D patterns. That's cool. Here are the Blu-rays. Put this back in there where it belongs. Whoops. So that's the Blu-ray, and this is the DVD. Oh, let me look on the back before I forget. Alright, and here's the back of the DVD. And now, no doubt this has... Oh, there's something in there. Ooh. Disc 2 and Disc 3 and Disc 1. Sorry if the angle of the camera is not perfect, guys. I'm just trying to get through here, and this is actually another little gift. Alright. And there goes my cat. My cat's just like meowing all over the place, which is typical, and this is probably part of the packaging. That's kind of neat. Okay, whatever. I like it already. I can... Okay, so... Well, so far, based on what I'm seeing, I'm really liking how this package is set up and everything. So it looks really good. So what I'm going to do now is, off camera, I'm going to put this little thing back in here so that I can put everything back in here where they belong. Alright, so we'll set this back in place. And then we'll put the two other booklets back in here. Now I can understand why this packaging is so heavy. Is because there's just so much that's really in here, and I like it a lot. So yeah, that's really, really nice. Alright guys, well, that's basically it for this video. I hope all of you have a good weekend, and I should have more videos coming to you guys soon. Hopefully I'll get a nice bigger paycheck soon, so I can get more anime videos for you guys much quicker and much more weekly at least, but we'll see what happens from here on in. Alright guys, you all take it easy. Alright? Bye-bye.
Thank you all for watching. See you again soon.